Hello my shining stars. So today we are starting class 4 Learn and Solve Maths by Children Voice publication Riddhi series. So let's start. Now chapter 2 Roman numerals. Warm up. In the number system we learned the numbers are written using the symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are called numerals. This system was invented in India and carried to the other parts of the world by the Arabs. That's why it is often called the Hindu-Arabic system. Now we are talking about Roman numerals. The Roman in ancient times used a number system having 7 basic symbols represented by the following letters. So these are the letters, like see here, I, V, X, L, C, D, M, and this is the value. I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C 100, D 500, M 1000. There is no symbol for 0 in the Roman numeral system. It does not use place value to write numbers. It uses rules of addition and subtraction of the above numbers to write other numbers. See, rules to write Roman numerals up to 39. The first one, repetition of a symbol means addition. The letters can be repeated a maximum of 3 times. किसी भी लेटर को हम 3 times repeat कर सकते हैं. Like I 3, X 30, and it means addition. Now the next, putting a smaller symbol after a bigger symbol means addition of the numbers. अगर हम बड़े सिंबल के बाद छोटा सिंबल लिखते हैं, it means addition है. Like VII. So this is 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is 8. ऐसे ही है XVII. So 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 17. Now the next is putting a smaller symbol before a bigger symbol. It means subtraction of smaller from the bigger one. Like IV, so 5 minus 1, that is 4. And IX means 10 minus 1, that is 9. Now the next is the letters V, L and D are not repeated and are never subtracted. So are wrong. Like we can't write like this V, L, D, M. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only, and symbol X can be subtracted from symbol L, M and C only. Like IV 5 minus 1, this is 4, and XL means 50 minus 10, that is 40. Now disadvantages of the Roman numeral system. The Romans use only 7 symbols. These symbols are not sufficient to write large numbers. We have to use many symbols even to write small numbers. Like for example, 8 is written as VIII, means 4 symbols we are using. 38 is written as XXX, 30 and 8. So how many symbols? 7 symbols. Now assessment 1, the first one, match the following. Like here, numbers given and these are the Roman numbers. So 10 means X, 20 XX, 45 is XLV, 50 minus 10 40 and then 5 45. ऐसे ही 39 is 30 and 9, this is, and 27 is 20 and 7, XX and 7. Okay, very interesting. Now the second one, write the following in Roman numerals. Like here 40, so 40 how you can write? So you will write XL, 50 minus 10, that is 40. ऐसे 15 है, 15 is X and V. Okay, similarly you can try the rest one. Now the third one, write the following in Hindu-Arabic numerals. Like here XVII. So what is this number? 10 and 7, 17. This is XXS, 3 times 30 and 3, 33. Similarly, we can try these one, and the fourth question you can try on your own. And now one question is of logical thinking. You can try this one, and MCQ also here. You can try this one also, and experimental learning. So you can try this one. I hope the concept is very much clear to you. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us for more videos. Stay happy, stay blessed.